Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Wait, K-Toy.
It's me, Kaylin, and today I will be unboxing some Disney Infinity characters. So here, this one, we have Frozen. We have in here Anna. Here we have Elsa, and then we have the discs. Get out of here with that Pokemon. It's too bright. It's too bright.
Trollus doesn't care.
And then we have Rick and Ralph.
Nintendo
Penelope. We have Penelope's character disc. Then they're also here.
No, Evie, you are not gonna evolve. Evie shot.
Evie.
Focus. I stopped Evie from evolving.
Aww.
I don't because Evie was gonna evolve into Umbreon or Espeon.
Oh.
I don't want to evolve into Sylveon.
You want to evolve to Sylveon?
Go to Galio.
Ooh. One disc. Two discs.
Huh? I'm a Star Wars.
Jasmine. Hang on. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I just needed to close the door. My dad and my brother. So, yeah. So, here we go. I'm gonna unbox them, but I forgot I was going to make a video. I pretty much already unboxed that one. So, I guess we're gonna start with this one. So, set that down. Just a second. Stay put. Stay put what? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go get the stand right over here. Okay, come here. Stand. You gonna hold the camera or get out of here? Get that door shut. Okay. Let me just put up this stand real quick. I folded it up. So there. So yeah, here's my stand. I folded it up. So how did I do this? Oh, there you go. It's right there. And okay, put you. Apparently I have to do it this side. There. Okay. Gimme. Yeah, so number one, we're gonna unbox this one. So here we go. As I already did, just tear that off. Just pretend no one saw that happen. Pretend that no one knew that I actually took it off. So I'm just gonna hold this up. Ooh. There we go. I'm not gonna show you the code. That's the back. This is the front. At the end of the video, I will show you all the codes, but I think I just showed that one. So hopefully none of you guys catch that. Oh. Get these discs out first. Wow, I didn't think it would be this hard just to pop out. Ow! Okay, that actually was a little hard. One. There's two. One of them went flying off to Penelope. I'm sorry. So, yeah. They're both the same, but I think these are the backgrounds. So we're gonna have some fun with those. And then put those in the pull out. Yeah. Ah. Ah. So let's do Elsa up close first. What I mean? Yeah. Simple as that. Hey, get out of my way. Looks like from above. This is where she looks like laying down. And we'll just put her up right there. So I can, there she is. There is our lovely Queen Elsa. Now we're going to get out lovely Princess Anna. She still has a streak in her hair. Beautiful white. She is confident and brave. So happy. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my trash there. So next up we have Aladdin and Jasmine. I can see that coming from the top. So let's rip this out. Uh-oh. So simple. Watch. Just pull this part and oh. Okay. Take two. Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot. Did I? How am I? Okay, sorry about that, guys. I just got a little claustrophobic there, and I just got a little mad at the thing for taking my freaking card and stuff. So, oh, nice bright card object at the top. But just gonna cover that part and this back. So there's my card. No, get out! Get out!
Not anything.
No, I'm making a video! Oh, just a hint, guys, this is 2.0, so it only works for the Xbox. The other two packs are for the Wii, which I have one right there. Wait, no, turn on. Okay.
But it has a 2.0 same thing.
He has 3.0. Get out. Jeez! I don't want to do this again. Oh, pop.
Oh.
Oh, that one went flying at the camera.
Yeah.
Because I was eager to get out. So, here's my Aladdin. Another Aladdin. Ah! Midas.
Aladdin's bad.
It's not.
He doesn't help anything.
Ow!
He's a bad guy. He hurt you. She said it too.
Last one. Last one. Take one. Let me try this again. Take two. Take three.
Oh, that.
No. Come. There. Jupiter.
It's on the desk.
Oh. So let's has someone's name on it. Tara, let me see. This one's mine. That's there.
I don't know, you were here, baby.
What you doing in here?
I didn't want to forget this. Where do you want me to put it?
I don't know. Just put it in
In the white
one of the
bag?
bags. Ow!
Same with your bear. Cat, I mean.
Cat and bunny. Broken bunny. Where are my discs? I'm making a video here.
I'll have to put these in the trash
Sure.
bin. In the trash bin out back. So when you get ready, you can bring them in there and put them on the table or
Well,
something.
I'm already done. Hey!
Oh,
Yeah.
videoing?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Oops.
Jibba jibba jib. Jibba jib. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm probably gonna have to end my video right here. Anyways, so these are all my Disney Infinity characters that I just got brand new from last night. So, okay, well, oh, now Elsa.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are my Disney Infinity characters. Yeah, I gotta take out this trash. So, yeah. Ta-ta for now. See you later, guys. Dun, 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 dun.